Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashish and today I'm going to talk about what is quality score in Google Ads. Okay, so before getting into my laptop screen, I just want to say a few words on quality score. So quality score is a really important term or metric, I would say, which really create an impact in your campaign's performance and how you can make the complete use of your certified budget which you have for your campaign. Okay, so let's say if you have a $10,000 budget and you are getting, like, let's say 100 sales out of 10,000 budget. Okay, so let's go for 10,000 divided by 100. So each sale cost you 100 rupees. Okay, but if you have a good quality score, the same thing can happen in 5,000 budget and you can save 100, you can have 100 sales. Okay, so what will be your cost? So in 5,000 divided by 100, if you make sales, so that becomes 50 rupees per sale. I will show you how that metric works. Let's jump into my laptop screen. Okay, so here we are on my laptop screen. What is quality score? Okay, so let's zoom it. So this is the formula. Okay, max bid into quality score is ad rank. Okay, let's write one thing over here, ad rank. Okay, let's make it simple. Yeah, so ad rank is quality score into bid is also known as CPC. Okay, so CPC. Okay, so if you have a quality score of 10, okay, and if you are giving $5 or $5, so what is your ad rank? This is 50. Okay, and if the same thing goes like if you have a CPC of $10 and you have a quality score of 5, okay, so you again get 50. So what I'm trying to say is, all that matter is ad rank over here. Both are getting ad rank, but who is investing more? This advertiser 1 and advertiser 2. Okay, so what is happening over here is this person is giving a CPC of $10. Okay, $10, and this person over here, advertiser 1, is only giving a CPC of $5, but still he is getting, this person, advertiser 1, is getting the same ad rank, which, okay, the same ad rank, so he can come into first position in only $5 CPC. Okay, and advertiser 2 has to pay double the amount of this $5. Okay, try to understand, double the amount of this, but due to his bad quality score, he has to, even if he pay the more the amount, he will still reach only 50, which is again first position. So let's leave this first position because Google will decide. Apart from ad rank, there are other important factors that needs to be considered, and then only you get the first position. Okay, but for here, what I'm trying to say, the person who has a good quality score over here, let's see this. Okay, he has to pay only $5, and the bad quality score, he has to pay double the amount of $5 from here, double the amount, then he is reaching over here. Try to understand the concept. Okay, you are investing double, but still you are reaching over there in the first position, like there is a chances that you might not get. Okay, so this is how quality score creates a huge impact. So it's about $5, but you know what, let's say this person he's having a budget of 50,000. So this person has to have a budget of $1 lakh. Okay, $100,000, and this person only have like $50,000. So they're getting the same position, even though advertiser second is investing double the amount, because he has a bad quality score over here. Okay, try to understand this. That's it. Okay, now let's go get into the next step. Okay, what are the factors that really impacts our quality score? So point one. Okay, so this is keyword relevancy to the ads. What I'm saying is, when you try to run the campaign, okay, so you fill up certain keywords. Okay, let's say black winter jacket, that's your keyword. Okay, black winter jacket, this is the keyword. So you need to have the right, okay, keyword with your targeting, audience targeting. Okay, if you have people who are looking for winter jackets, behavior, interest, okay, you're targeting the audience in broad approach, and you have a keyword relevance of a black winter jacket, then it's good. But you have people who are looking for motorcycle jacket. Okay, and then you have a keyword of black winter jacket, so that doesn't, anyway it has a little bit of relevancy, but that it doesn't have a very huge relevancy. Okay, so you need to have a relevant keyword with your target audience. Okay, what you're targeting. Okay, so keyword relevancy should be there. Add text relevancy. Okay, the second one is add text relevancy. How does it matter? Black jacket. Okay, now your ad, if you have this keyword, okay, and your ad shows all season black jacket, to some extent this is okay, but this does not come under winter. Okay, it comes under all season. Okay, so that gives the audience a little confusion, which is not good. It should have, rather than this, okay, it should have black winter jacket on sale, something like off 50%, something like that. Okay, these you can do, but this has to be very relevant. It can shuffle around, but it has to be same, or like very should have a very close variant. Okay, now next, since my time is running out, so I'm just speeding up the process. CTR. Okay, quality score depends upon the CTR. So what is CTR? Click through rate. Okay, so click through rate, you can improve your click through rate when you have a very relatable ads for your target audience. Okay, it should not confuse them. Okay, let's talk about quality and relevance of landing page. Okay, so let me connect this one over here. Okay, so this is your keyword 1. Okay, this is your ad 2. Okay, so this is what your target audience type in Google search term. Okay, black winter jacket on sale or 50% off is what your ad text is. Okay, now when he type this, he gets this ad, and when he click this ad, okay, when he clicks this ad, so where does he reach? What landing page? When he clicks black winter jacket ad, so does he reach in all season jackets, or he reach to a landing page which has black winter jacket, very focused and relevant? So that's what it is talking about. So it's the relevancy. Okay, is the relevancy of your landing page and quality of your landing page. So quality of your quality of landing page depends on easy to navigate, okay, instant, okay, uh, loading speed, okay. So these are a few things that you need to take into consideration. Now let's talk about historical performance of Google AdWord account. So if you're running a first campaign new, okay, then then this thing won't make a lot of impact. But if you are running like a 3 account 4 account, okay, then you have run your a lot of accounts, okay. Or let's say if you your this campaign of black winter jacket has been running from last 1 month, okay, then based on your historical performance, how you are doing it, based on that, okay, your quality score impacts. Okay, if you have a higher CTR, okay, if 100 people watch your ad, okay, out of that, if 10 people clicks your ad, that means 10% is your CTR. And if that happens, this is good CTR. So these are some metrics, okay. This is if this in last 1 month since you are running your ad, if your CTR is good, okay, then based on that your quality score improves, okay. So that creates a huge impact on your overall performance. And you know, you can get the like good return with a low investment, okay. So that's how quality score is really important in your campaign running. So make sure you understand this, okay. And just try to watch this video again if you don't understand, because it's a bit of metric terms. So I think this will help you in long term. So I hope that was really insightful for you guys. And if there is anything you want to ask, make sure you comment down below. And please like the video, subscribe it, and share with the person who really needs it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.